Fasting is the practice of abstaining from food and drink for a period of time. It has been practiced for centuries for various religious and cultural reasons. Here are some potential health benefits of fasting. Weight loss. Fasting can lead to weight loss by reducing calorie intake and increasing metabolism. Improves insulin sensitivity. Fasting can help improve insulin sensitivity, which can reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes. Lowers inflammation. Fasting can help reduce inflammation in the body, which is a risk factor for many chronic diseases. Reduces oxidative stress. Fasting can help reduce oxidative stress in the body, which can lead to improved health outcomes. Improves heart health. Fasting can help lower blood pressure, cholesterol, and triglyceride levels, which are all risk factors for heart disease. May reduce the risk of cancer. Fasting has been shown to help reduce the risk of certain types of cancer, although more research is needed in this area. It is important to note that fasting may not be suitable for everyone, and that it is important to talk to a healthcare professional before starting a fasting regimen. Additionally, fasting should be done safely and with adequate hydration.